Hey, good morning, everybody. It's JD, the mobile trader. We're in the mobile trader network. Let's go. We're watching Boeing and Tesla this morning. Put a going long Tesla if we get it right. And I'm ready to hop in. I'm waiting for a pullback on Boeing. I want to wait to the 8:45 time frame for Tesla. I need a little bit more. I say risk from the standpoint of I want a confirmation candle. At Boeing, I'm looking for a pullback. I'm looking for a reversal, but Tesla, yeah, I'm going to test that out with a scalp. And I'm trying to figure out which one's going to print first for me. So let's see. That's a nice bullish candle. We're going long Tesla right now. And the Qs are doing it for me. And I'm looking for the November 27th, 500. At 49, buying at 1950. Yeah, what kind of drag are we having? Oh, it jumped me. I'm chasing it. 2075. Okay. All right. And we're going to go short Boeing. A little bit of a lag on my. So we're going November 27th, the 200 put. We go two of those. 20603 with Boeing. And that's kind of weird that I don't like that delta. Anyway, we got two at 372. At 33 delta, I do not like that. I don't know how I made that mistake. I know I wrote it down with the Boeing. We'll live with it. Let's go back to Tesla and see we'll set the stops in a second and see what my entry was on the. I'm in a 50. It was a 50 delta. 496.84. Are we down? Down 67. We're gonna give it 300. So I'm in it. 2075. And let's just find out what we got in it on both of these. The underlying, I like to have that written down so I can set my stops. All right, I got into Tesla. It was 498.79. About to open. IV is at 68 right now. 1217, 61.24 volume. And 493.13. So it's pulling back right now. I have to live with that. So we'll see what we get out of that. I'm going to get back to the chart in a second. Got the pullback with the Qs, which is fine. And Boeing entered Boeing at 206.03. Perfect. With that, what's the IV on this right now? 50. 1960. The volume's 829. And let's see what Boeing's at 207. 53. That's turned into a bull flag. Let me set my stops. 327. Create a closing order. Go stop, good till canceled. So I got in at 372. We'll give it to 272. 2. Boom, boom, boom. Stop at 272. They're at 208. And it might get me the way it's pushing. Now Tesla's getting buying pressure back into it. But we are overbought on Boeing, which is cool. And I want to see that. So let's see what Tesla's doing on the trade front. Minute 2075. We're down like 160, 260, 197. Okay. And so I got 200. I'll go 400 on this. These are catastrophic stops right now. 20, so 1675. We'll go 17.00. Stop, day, good till cancel. Boom, BAP, 496.86. And let's just stay above the VWAP. And with Boeing, it's getting extended a little bit above the VWAP. Merck finding its support. Square is setting up for me. 191.12. I like a break above this for this bull flag, that 191.91. Initially is 187.50 was my entry. Let's just see where we go with it, guys. Now I'm leaving that stop on the screen. At 209.51 is the area. It could quite possibly run up there and do that. And if it does, and I find another re-entry below the VWAP, I will. And tell you what, Square is not going to get traded this morning. Let's go back to the double screen. I'm cool with this double top on the RSI. I'd rather not get stopped out. Let me see what that. It's a shakeout candle for real. On the 30, that is the bullish or most bullish engulfing. Let's see what we have here. $208.44. Tesla is staying at support on the VWAP, guys. 496.95. 497.14. Yeah. Some strength in that a little bit, but it's one move. Might do it 1-to-1 on that. It's almost like Square didn't want to move. There you go, Square. I see you trying to sniff it. But I need to stay out of Square for now. It's up 5. Okay, Qs have good, strong buying pressure coming in. And it might be from Boeing. I want to, I got to leave the stop in there just as is. Because this is going to exhaust itself. Oh, we got the new candle, new print. All right. 496.50. There you go. I got in at 498.79. So 498.47. And Square and Merck are trying to murk them. You better live, man. Better come on down, player. Playboy. Let me see if the connection. Okay, Merck. $207.95 for Boeing. And Merck has been one that I've been watching, and that's call out from our SSR from June. And I put the call out. I'm looking for a viral play on that. 80.15. There you go. The sell off Boeing. Do what you're supposed to do. Let's see how you act at the VWAP. Look at that. Buying pressure. Got a double top on the RSI and sell off on the 5-minute. Looking to push below the VWAP and really power through it. So I want to see some bullish moves on this with Tesla. Any news on Tesla? Not going into the S&P. Okay, we got that. Rivian. Square is really chilling. Got a boy Boeing, 207.70. Parabolic wedge on Boeing. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause it for a second so I don't bore you. Okay, guys, real quick, I did a quick scalp on Square. Uh, entered on this bullish candle, I mean bearish candle. Just a quick $40 scalp, in and out before it hit that. So I was in a November 20th 190 put in at 430, exited at 470. Let's see this. Let's see it real quick. It should show it 40 bucks. November 20th, $20 put. I mean, yeah, 190 put. Delta was right around that 59. It was just a quick move, and I was in. The entry was about Square at 188.05, and I was initially bullish on Square. Then it fell below my area, and my exit. I mean, it was like a 859 was the entry, 904 was the exit. It was 187.03. Exited at price was 470. So I wanted to get a quick hit. Picked up that move. Boeing found Tesla's fine buying pressure. Uh, Boeing is finding that it hit that peak and is selling off. Let's see what Boeing is doing for me in the P&L, because we're in two contracts. And on Square, it was the November 20th. I mean, one day to expiration. So all right, we're up 16, which I'm not watching the P&L like that. 1611. I want to make sure that this is a crappy delta, man. 35 delta. So my move, I needed to jump, and I really don't know why I hopped in that. That was a mistake on my end, and really, yeah, I'm. This is the one at 59 delta, or even at 925. All right, I got into another. Got the November 27th 210 puts. It's a 59 delta, now it's 61. 1084 open interest, 403 volume, 50 IV, and I'm in it 925. And let's see what the underlying was when I entered that. It was at 205.41. 205.41 for that entry. 205.05. Tesla should be pushing. Yep, there we go. All right. We're at 501. That's what we wanted. 77. Let's see what we are with Tesla. With maybe I can move into a trailing stop with Tesla. Yeah, we can start trailing. Got the sale. We'll go trailing stop and make it 2. We go 60-cent trail. Mark high. 23.14. 60-cent trail for both. Hopefully 22.30 is going to be the area. So I like this. I like the, that's a nice bullish push. What is Merck doing? Merck isn't doing it. Square is trying to find that support. So I'm giving up a 60-cent trail with 2 contracts. It's $120 cushion. So we'll let Merck live. We're down here with Boeing. We're gonna let Square. The thing about it, when I have this many screens going, Tesla. So to it. What did you give me, dog? Phil. Let's see what Tesla did this morning. What kind of chicanery was that? So I hit him for 589. I'll take that. Sold at 23. Was exit. 60-cent trail, 2360. 2360. 589 was the profit on that. A+ trade, guys. And where was the stock? And I was in the November 27th, 500s calls. 56 delta, with the initial delta was 50. So 56 delta. 12,172, no change on the open interest, and it went up to 12,781 volume. And let's see what I need to know what my what the stock price was. It was 503.20. Yeah, I need to get back in. Yeah, we're back in, guys. We're going back in at 500. All right. Bull flag continuation. It's going to pull back a little bit, but we will. So I'm back in at the, let's see, November 27th. 500 call. What was it? 56 delta. Volume 13,098. IV 70. Underlying 506.96. BTO 506.96. And at 504, we're down to 504.07. And Boeing's still pushing down. And all right, 506. 506.20. Let's go back to the big board, folks. 507. And I'm gonna have to go ahead and get ready to get out of this one for good. Should be down a little bit. Okay, I'm up by a little smidgen. So quick. Watch the P&L when it flips and turns. So I'm gonna give it. So I'm in it at 26 even. I will give it 220. go 24.50 on it. 26. 24.75. So I'll have the slippage. My stop will be set at 24.75. 24.75. Let's see what the 505.34. Stop. 24.75. 507.38. Let's run, brother. Get back to the charts. It's gonna be tight. Got me. 24.30. All right. Still gonna run. Let's see how that affected the P&L. 419. All right. So I lost 170. All right, we're done with Tesla for the day. Let's see what Boeing is doing so I can get out of this. All right, Boeing. 91 on that. 42 on that. Let me put Boeing on the big screen. Go Mamba Solo. Tesla looks so nice, but it's time to chill. Move it down right here. And really manage this. So it's coming to it's pushing for an area of support down here. That 202, it's gonna run to it. Let's go. Perfect twin pin, tweezers, just parabolic wedge. And it's gonna VWAP crush. VWAP crush. Bury through it. Let me put some volume on here. All right. Going down on increasing volume. Buy pressure trying to come in a little bit. 204.51. Strong buy pressure. Selling pressure, excuse me. Well, my mind can't stay off Tesla. And Merck is really selling off down to the bottom of that channel. There you go, Boeing. 204 even. 203.99. Let's check the trade now. I'm gonna set a 30-cent trail on that. $0.30. All right. 30-cent trail. And what's it gonna keep me at? 415 is currently at 442. I'm in at 372. All right. $87. This is an area of support. but it's hunting for this, for the breakout area. This is a 50% pullback. Let me get my money. We'll create a closing order. Kind of squeeze it a little bit. There we go. At 990, sold at 990. Wait a second. What was my entry on the first one? November 27, 210. I bought the 210 at I exited at 990. All right. So I bought the 210 at 925. 990 was the exit. So $65 on that. It's at 204.05 right now. Still got room to push down. What was the 210, 61, 60 delta? This took me out. All right, 418. All right. So 157 on the day. 157 total on that. Trailing stop of 30 cents and 204.13. Yeah, it found that level of support in my mind. Now it could continue down, but I'm not willing to risk that right now. Boeing was on a hot streak, found with the FAA approval. So let me keep what I can right now and see what the day has done. It was kind of quick, man. By what's the time? 9:23 a.m. Not even an hour in the market, and market's really selling off. Yeah, great day. Let's close down, guys. Let's add up to. So Boeing 157. And Tesla 419. That's my stock position up here, guys. So not liquidating that 419 plus 419. All right, 576 on the day. I need to show discipline and just not get back in at all. And Merck, guys, let's hold off on Merck until Merck figures it out. Boeing's still trying to pump down. That's fine. Let's see what Merck is looking like. Let me switch up something before I close this out. And we'll go 20-day hourly. That 79.31 area could be support for Merck. And really, I'm going to go ahead and get in Merck. And this is going to be for January. Where is Merck? January 15th, $85 call. And I know they're cheaper right now. January 15th, 85s. It's at 97. 40,000 open interest, 23 delta. Delta was, yeah, it was still in that range. I'm cool with this. And we're going with that. We're going 3 contracts. Limit, buy, go. Buying on speculation and my viral thesis. So we'll leave it at that. Entry was at 79.41. All right. Bought to open. 23 delta. Open interest is 40,589. And 138. 79.38 was the entry. All right. 23 IV. 23 delta. What's the volume? 138. This say January 15th, 2021. $85 call. Should be at 97. Got in at 95. 95 cents, which is $95, guys. And let's see what Boeing and the rest of the group are doing. Tesla's trying to find support. Boeing wants to keep going down. Yeah, guys, it's a ball game for me. Square is pulling back big time. Boy, look at this sucker trying to stand at support. Let me look at Tesla one more time, crew. Because I'm not getting greedy, but if I see a setup, I need to run with it. Yeah, on the hourly. Overbought. 30-minute overbought. And it doesn't fit my criteria right now. 4-hour overbought. Daily just sniffing overbought. But we are at a double top right now. Which doesn't mean that, hey, it's gonna go back down, but it's, for me right now, it's good to cut bait. And that wraps it up for us today, guys. So thank y'all for coming in. We're done at 9:29 a.m. Hour in the market. And a really good return on investment in my time in the market. So y'all have a great day, and catch Mo Jackson on the market wrap up with JD and Mo every Friday, 7 p.m. Central. And guys, if you're watching on YouTube, smash the like. If I know it's kind of long on here, but give me a like, comment, and subscribe. All right, we'll talk to you. You stop recording.